feel a great deal of peace when they walk onto the field because straight away Imran Nazir got in. Imran Nazir was an expected at number 3.
Run out highlight one Nazir.
Unit found wasted this opportunity. And Imran Nazir after the runner provided the runner and rightly so because he was carrying that injury from that last game and Nazi and put out over that great hit got rid of Imran Nazir and then things turned for the better for India. He faltered and so the entire rhythm of the innings was broken as a result of that failure by Yunus Khan and a failure with Shoaib Malik.
That is great. 2 in 2 balls. Shoaib Malik first getting out caught and midway. I think this was the turning point after the Afridi dismissal really changed it. And I think was to play on a keeper. Let's see what you do. And after he said, well, okay, you bounced me, I'm not listening. But it was so wildish also, which meant that he had
he turned it on this ball now. But the stick over the line. Pakistan back into reckoning. This is what 2020 from nowhere struck those two decent goals. One over long one and then over square leg. And you're the goal chance. Srisan got it right.
Yeah, because I think length balls go for runs. And the full leg is like the one I thought from Srisan. Srisan making no mistake. Just wonder also by advertising the fact that you're going to do that. I think now Srisan would go back another yard or so. He got it about 3 or 4 yards outside. Having said that, it was in the air for a very long time, so it wasn't such a difficult chance. Then the celebration started and poor Misbah Allah.
Yuvraj Khan is
shot away from being the man of the match, making the player of the tournament. The celebration started and it's going to last for a very long time. Yes, this is how it ended. This is how close it was. 157 for 5 from 20 overs. 3 balls left. 5 runs short. India winning by 5 runs in a final that will be replayed on television and in the minds of supporters. Sure, in India, maybe the slightly differing emotions of in Pakistan, but they've replayed it many, many times. But an absolutely wonderful cricket match. Now the teams move on from here. But I think in Misbah Pakistan found someone who should be playing the 50-over game as well.
Absolutely. Not even that. Maybe Test cricket also because he comes across as a good cricketer with a good technique and you need a bit of heart, bit of temperament, and he's shown that in this tournament. You know, it's not been easy for the batsman, especially in the middle order. So he knows the limitations of his game and he operates within those limitations and he's come across as a shrewd learner of the game. So a lot of us, in fact many people who critical of the ICC World Cup 2007. Absolutely. The cricket's been outstanding. And at the end of the day, as I've been saying all along, you produce good cricket pitches, you get good cricket. These pitches in South Africa have been fantastic cricket. There's been enough bounce in it where the batsmen can play their shots. There's been enough bounce. There's been a bit of swing.
Muslims all over the world. Muslims all over the world.
And that is a lesson
Irfan Pathan.
The only game that
all over the world.
And I think, as I said at the start, many years from now,
Fantastic tournament.
అరే దీంట్లో వస్తానే ఇవ్వను కదా
Having said that, I think they have a chance. Gave Zimbabwe a chance to outsmart the Australians.
లాస్ట్ ఓవర్ ప్రెషర్
I mean, this is a format that says and stamp their
అంటే ధోని చెప్పాడంట
Indeed, and it's been
చేస్తే మంచిది నథింగ్ విల్ హ్యాపెన్ ఐ డోంట్ కేర్ ఈవెన్ ఐ లాస్ ద మ్యాచ్ అంట ఐ డోంట్ కేర్ ఈవెన్ ఐ లాస్ ద మ్యాచ్ అంట I don't.